Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reverse audio on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create new project. I'm going to select video and new and I'm just going to select blank clip. Okay, then you can add your audio to this project. I'm going to tap on audio and music and I'm going to add my audio from my device. For example, I'm going to go with this audio.
Speechify has
I'm going to
revolutionized
reverse this audio guys. I'm going to click on use and then you can extend this blank clip according to the duration of your audio. Okay, and then we're going to save this video. You can click on export. Okay, and wait for a moment until the video has been exported to our gallery. And after that, we're going to create new project again, like this, and we can import the saved video, this one, and I'm going to click on the check mark, and we're going to reverse the video, because there is no way to reverse the audio only. So what we can do is combining the audio with the blank clip so we can reverse the audio. I'm going to click on reverse. Okay, it's almost done. And I'm going to play it guys to see what we have. Okay. As you can hear that the audio has been reversed, and I'm going to click on export to save this video. Okay, and then we're going to use the audio. If you want to use the audio for your editing, you can extract the audio from the video. For example, I'm going to use the audio for my project. So I'm just going to go to the audio and then I'm going to select music and extract audio from video. Okay, this one. Okay, and this is the result. As you can see that the audio has been added to my project. And okay guys, that's all the way to reverse audio on InShot, even though there is no reverse option for the audio only, but we can still reverse the audio by this trick. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.